I need to let my stress out, dude.
I think you let it all out, man. I don't know. It was like a white guy. He was like blonde hair.
Oh, that dude was it. It was weird, bro. I was in the same flag football team as him. He stopped my butt.
Hello?
He was a tweaker, bro. Oh, did you ever?
Yeah, why?
That's it. I told you she existed. I told you.
I get this dude. Huh? Did that just happen?
Hello. Oh, what the hell is this? Hello.
Caesar, can you shoot this trash can?
I got you. Oh wait, wrong thing.
Wow, one of our...
Where are you, Juno? Oh,
Retreat.
Yo.
Retreat.
oh, you're right.
And you got played again. Oh.
Oh shit.
Wow, asshole.
Wait, that's ours. On that side.
Shit,
I'm coming.
Oh shoot. The
Dedicate your
heart.
heart.
Caesar, what?
Never mind, bro. It's over. Beast Titan won.
She's diamond one.
The Beast Titan won.
Oh.
It's diamond one.
That's what I heard. She's diamond.
Oh, we got jalapeno. Wait, what is that? Fuck.
Jalapeno.
I don't know what's up with my mic, but it picks up the farts I want it to hear. It doesn't pick up the mics I want the farts. Never mind. I am. Oh, Moira is dead. Moira is dead. Oh no! Oh, this dude! Let's go dead. I got two picks. I got two picks, please.
They're low, they're low! Discord!
I'm dead.
I'm just correcting your lore knowledge, because I'm...
Oh, cat, can you go like that? Thank you. Okay, help that guy.
I did.
I'm gonna go in the corner and look at Juno.
That's green.
This method needs to be...
Man.
Come on, Caesar, do the thing.
No.
Doesn't have much time left. No Hiroshima.
Oh,
Roadhog. I just want to make her explode.
Genji chaser.
Nobody would have won
You did this, bro. If there's a Genji in this match, I swear there's a.
Oh, you're cut. What the fuck was that?
they're called like bot. Bro, what did you push? Who pushed me here? What the fuck? No, the fuck you don't. You actually made me turn around, man.
I saw you turn around. Why was it inside
If you do that in fuckass emote, I'm not gonna heal you.
I have no idea what is going on.
Which one?
Everything's going according to plan.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
This man has a self heal.
Could you describe the taste of chicken rice?
What? I hear it. Oh my gosh, upstairs. That guy got.
Bruh.
I don't want to play anymore. Can we just have E6? Damn, bro.
Where are we going? Getting like bursted. I'm feeling Illinois.
Let's do
Eloise. This is Greece.
But what about Esperanza?
I fuck Esperanza. Oh. No! Am I even allowed to delete your thing? You're the owner.
I am.
I think you are. There's a crown next to your name.
Oh yeah, I am down here. Let's put Caesar in timeout.
What did I do? Whoa.
She has a
Oh
drill.
wait, no, this is a W battle pass. Skin is cold as hell.
Which one?
This Soldier 76 skin. Oh, that's tough. He's got the cape on. Wait, but isn't he gay? Never mind.
What if they had Mexican cheese, but they called it chest?
What's wrong with you? Okay, man. Okay. 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 Okay.
Get up.
Yep. Okay. Yep. Yep. Mhm. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that's about right. Please, yes, thank you. Oh my goodness. Not even close, not even close.
Someone finish him up!
Oh, can we wait for a second? I don't want to queue up with those scary men.
Watch this.
You're tanking me!
I'm getting shower cowered about garbage.
Your buddy spun away like a Beyblade! No, it's Grandmaster and then Champion.
Bro, I said remove background for Doomfist, but it just removed Doomfist.
It's too black!
Wait. Look at it. No, because he didn't want to go to the slums of where I live, man.
Man, nothing happened when we were there.
That was actually funny, man. I was like, this McDonald's is dangerous, and it just two dudes playing chess.
There was literally nothing happening.
Nice.
Come on, that's my play again. I know it is.
I'm lagging!
What the fuck?
The manga is so low! Thank you! What the fuck is this? Crosshair! He's got. Whoa!
You're guilty. He's like, fuck off.
いいえ
We're having a
む
retrial.
しろ昔よりひどくなってんじゃん
And then he just still made expansion everywhere.
It's hot. Man, is it hot over in Sacramento? It probably is, huh? It's hot as
Bro,
hell
over
over
here
here.
as well.
95 degrees.
It is so hot here, bro. Oh my gosh.
It's 95 degrees.
Set my fan to the max.
Are you gonna ask if it's hot where I'm at?
Oh. Yeah. Is it hot where you're at, Kai?
Yeah, kinda.
Oh.
I'm dying too.
While you guys are thinking, we're getting fucked in the asshole.
I'm trying to hold this line.
What?
I think I'm understanding her. She becomes really unkillable if you. I haven't been preserving the block. Look at this, bro. Oh, are you fucking kidding?
No way, these people.
Lobby admin diva, bro.
Our generational diva.
She had 50 kills?
I know.
Yeah. Report Raging Thuwak. Report inappropriate communication, text chat. I'm really depressed. And
Yeah, right now too.
this experience of my life.
I have my ult. They're probably gonna start ult maxing.
Maxing.
Yep.
Be dead here. It's okay.
Hello, you're just standing still behind the pillar? Please watch me die.
I'm considering buying prisms because I'm missing 20 for Anna's gun.
Dude, prisms are. Wait, is that the ice cream truck?
I can hear all of you. I think Venture is actually trans. I heard there's a flag on her.
I thought Venture was Spanish.